Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Committee, for giving this opportunity. So, this talk is not about the digitization, but advancement of technology that we are able to use in Cambay field. With help of advanced technology, we managed to unlock the multi-TCF gas reservoir, which previously thought not possible. So, I'll quickly go through the presentation. So, basically, Oilex, a quick background. So, we are, our head office is in Perth. We are located in project office in Baroda. We are operator of the field, Cambay field, with 15 years, and we own the 100% PI. We are AIM listed in London Stock Exchange. So Cambay block, I think most of people ex-ONGC will know, but Cambay field is the ex-legacy ONGC field. ONGC had drilled first well in Cambay field in India. So they have built small museum monument there as well. In 2006, Oilex took over the field from NICO, and since then we are trying to develop unconventional reservoir from the EOS information. So this is the current status of our project. Cambay is 161 square kilometer of the area, close to the national pipeline. We are trying to unlock the multi-TCF of gas. We already drilled a couple of horizontal wells. Our FDP already approved by government. We got 10 years PSC extension also, and recently we successfully refracked the well, which was previously fracked in 2014. Also recently this year I would like to special thank you to DG under the guidance of Gupta sir that we able to restart the production from our the field April this year after 3 years shut-in due to some compliance reasons. So Cambay field previously Cambay field was as I said previously developed by ONGC way back in 1960s and 70s. 161 square kilometer of area was covered by the huge pipeline. Basically predominantly they produce from the conventional reservoir oligocene mainly. Okay, at that time ONGC had discovered Eocene, which is the deeper unconventional reservoir, but due to the unavailability of the technology, they were not able to commercially or economically produce at the surface. So since took over by the Oilex, we try to focus of the our main focus is Eocene reservoir. So this is just to give you, what ONGC done previously. This is the majority test data. You can see multi-million scf per day was tested by ONGC. Almost all the well encounter, but during that time technology was not there, so ONGC was not able to book any resources, nothing. So they mainly focus was to conventional oligocene resources. Then we came into picture in 2006 and we made significantly progress. We drilled a total 5 wells in the Cambay basin. Majority 4 wells success, 1 was mechanical failure. We did various study was carried out, GMI geomechanical study based on the old core data. With help of that geomechanic study, we optimized the core. We hired the GMI, and also a study was done in Schlumberger core lab. So this is what I was trying to say. We drilled 5 wells, 66H, 77H, C19Z, 23Z, and we have proven that what was previously confirmed by the ONGC, that Eocene resources is already there. Okay. But you need the technology, advanced technology to produce at the surface. So we drilled our first horizontal well, 76. This was the first of its kind multi-stage horizontal well drilled by Oilex way back in 2011. It was total 16 fracture in 8 stage. Job was quite big. 1,000 ton of propellant was pumped in, around with 41,000 barrel of fluid. So with this technology we have proven you can drill horizontal well, there is no issue. This well was in fact completed in within 30 to 35 days, and frac itself was completed within 7 days, 16 frac. So yeah, you can do with you can use same horizontal technology that's been using in Shell and tight gas in USA, etc. Okay, so this, however, this well was mechanical failure, but it's given hope of confidence that we can go ahead and we can drill another well. So then we drill another well, 77H. That was again lateral well around 350 meter. Again we did 4-stage multi-stage hydrofrac. This well is currently producing this well. So this 76 help us that we can do it. 77 has help us. Yes, with help of fine tuning of the technology, we can further commercial produce, because the Eocene is permeability is around 0.2 millidarcy. The formation is ductile, it's not brittle, so it's very difficult to frack it. Propellant abandonment happens over the time, so you need right kind of recipe. So 77 initially, when we drilled in 2014, even though, produced the performance was not up to the mark, even though, it's continuously still producing since after 3 years. Our horizontal section was not the ideal placement. We used, wrong type of fluid. But we have learned this whole lesson and we incorporate those lessons. In 2022, we carried out again refrac of the job of same C77H. So this is we carried out this year only. We have additional stage 5 and stage 6, and this was very successful compared to the 2014 what we had learned during that time. So based on this one, now we can confidently say that we are almost there to fully exploit Eocene formation, and we have a further plan as well to drill further to horizontal well in phase 1 and 30 to 40 wells in phase 2. So what worked for us in last, we have used high viscosity friction reducer because this reduces the friction during the fracturing process. Also it helps to place the more propellant in the formation, creates complex fracture as well. So this one of the thing was, another was, we used 2040 premium lightweight ceramic. As I said, it's a ductile, so over the time, it's closed the fracture automatically. Also closing pressure is very high, so lightweight ceramic propellant is definitely help. Also one of the technology I previously forgot, abrasive jetting, that really help as well because it reduced significant time. So what we achieved with this, because previously when ONGC 6070, they tested it, production was not sustainable, they didn't book any resources. With help of 76, 77H well, now we can clearly say that it's there. So this help us to book resources around 1 TCF, and last well, help us to book even our resource 206 BCF. So Eocene is huge potential, is just happening to exploit further, and we are very committed. And with help of, DGS under guidance of MOPNG, we are very committed to this block, and we are planning to drill further to horizontal well. This volume was confirmed by various different agencies. This is, Gaffney and client, they have confirmed as well. So multi-TCF gas is there in Eocene formation. So this is just the last slide I want to quickly give you where we are compared to, because we all know USA cell technology, huge success. If you talk about 30, 40 years ago, they were same where we are right now. So we have almost unlocked the potential of the Eocene. We have drilled couple of horizontal wells. So currently we are at this arrow, and further, couple of horizontal well will greatly help us to unlock the potential. And then we have full phase development one, which will include anywhere between 30 to 50 wells, combination of horizontal and vertical well. Thank you very much. Happy to take any further questions. Thank you, sir.